This simple hidden trick can fix 80% of Android problems in seconds. Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Android safe mode on any Android phone. This feature is hidden but super powerful. So let's get started. First of all, press and hold the power button of your device. Then long press on the restart button. Now you will see a pop-up saying reboot to safe mode. Here you just tap on OK. Now your phone will restart. After restarting, you can see safe mode written at the bottom left corner. In safe mode, all the third-party apps are turned off. So you can see that all my third-party apps are closed except the system apps. Safe mode helps you find and remove the app causing lag, battery drain or pop-ups. Now I will show you how to exit or disable safe mode on Android. It's very simple. Just press and hold the power button and tap on restart. After restarting, your phone will boot back to normal mode with all apps working again. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.